Hello and welcome to a video on Nerf gun review. So 3 of the Nerf guns I'm going to do, plus modules. And let's get started on Green channel. Get set up. There. So we have modules. Good gun. Not really good for Nerf war. Good for target practice, but not really Nerf war. Scoop. Barrel. Mag. Grip. Stock. Jam door, if you want to have a look, if you can. Jam doors aren't really good because every time you fire, right, stop for flip's sake, because it gets jammed. These target if you're not using scoop. Comes with a banana ball mag that I don't have with me at the minute. As you look up the barrel, and that's the button press to get the mag motor. And let's put some attachments. Do that. So we'll do attachment one by one on the gun. So to stop, mine's basically worn out, but gives you better ear, like
You did?
a video.
And I've just locked in my pants.
And that's the stop. Then we add on a barrel, which makes it. And if you've ever saw a wobbly gun, look. You could be just firing like, and it flies on, and you're like, keep firing! And then eventually just flies on, and you're like, keep firing! And then you realise you're out of darts. That's the barrel, it's not really good. And then we have our grip. And we have that. That's if you're not really good. Like I sometimes use it. And if you want to have a look up the barrel, extra barrel, and you put like another attachment grip or something. And then last but not least, we have this scoop. So let's start with, I'll just let you hear the noise with my double 12, which comes on its own. So that's that. Like. So if you wanna, so we'll start doing the attachment. So first of all, we have the barrel. Just single, and if you want, grip, tripod, whatever. There. Next, grip. If you're playing a game with your friend on Nerf guns, knife. Say you're playing zombies with darts, this could be a knife. And then we have scoop. Set that back up. Next, last but not least, we have stock, which holds your clip. And if you're playing a game with no darts outside, you pistol. So that's some attachments I have, but I have some other attachments, which includes another barrel, a tripod, and another scoop. So it's basically a sniper. And you're like, sniper! And it's a good gun, like a sniper, but if you have your 10 mag in, it's like, whoa. It just toggles over. So do these attachments as well. So last time, look in, it's kind of dark in there. Like on that side, bright, and then it goes dark. Like neon, and then that's like neon, dark. And then we have our other barrel, this one, longer barrel. Attach this one. If you want to have a wee look, neon right through. So you're like, and last but not least, we have the tripod. Yellow, neon orange type, and then white, grey, and white. And then for laugh, I'll put every single attachment on. Just take a wee minute. No, actually. Alright, so we need to take that off. Put this on, and then we put that on, and put this in there, and last but not least, this dog. So here's a look from the back. And that's a sniper machine gun. The grip's like, whoa. Say bye to the migrants. Next, we have the rock. Be good zombie killers. No, it's not the zombie strike, but if you look at it, and the barrel's like neon, and we have some white bits and grey. And if you see, it says rough gut 2x4. It's kind of jammed sometimes like that, and you're like, what is going on? You put that, and you're like, oh. Yeah, damn. Alright, I'm a nerd. Peace out for that. So, we'll have to be quick on the last two. So, we have the detonator. It's 4 barrels. Shoot. Then has this, the change barrel. Good trigger, you can change the grip. Neon, and it's zombie strike, so good for killing zombies. And we have our last gun. The strong arm. There's the barrel, neon barrel, and black. There's the wee button. Here's a trick I can do with it. Pop that. So pop this, put it out, and then go. So that's it for today. That's my Nerf video, and